Dear students, we have learned what are decimals and what is the use of decimals in our daily life. Now, one more use of decimal for converting lower unit of money, length and weight. Decimals are used. Now, let's start with money. And we know the unit of money are rupees and paisa, and you know the relation between rupees and paisa. 1 rupees is equal to 100 paisa. And now you know rupees is the bigger unit and paisa is smaller unit. When you convert paisa into rupees, then you are converting into bigger unit. You have to divide by 100. But when you convert rupees into paisa, means smaller unit, you have to multiply. And one more thing to remember it, when we multiply and when we divide is for converting rupees into paisa. Now paisa is smaller but paisas are more. For more we always multiply, that is 100. And for converting paisas into rupees, that is 1. For 1 we always divide. For finding the value of 1 we always divide. So converting paisas into rupees, you will divide. So let's take an example. Convert 9 paisa into rupees. Now for converting paisas into rupees, you have to divide. And you know 1 paisa will be equal to rupees 1 by 100. So 9 by 100. Now we will put the decimal. This is a decimal fraction and now convert into decimal number. Now here are the 2 zeros. So put the decimals after 2 digits. But we are with 1 digit. Then you have to put 1 more 0 here. So now 2 digits are here. Write decimal. And this will be 0.09 rupees. Is that clear? And let's take one more example. For converting 5 rupees 75 paisa into rupees. Obvious. For converting paisas into rupees, you have to divide. It is already in rupees. So only convert 75 paisas into rupees and then add both of them. Clear? You know 1 paisa is rupees 1 by 100. Then 75 paisas will be equal to 75 by 100, means rupees 0.75. Now you have to add rupees 5 with rupees 0.75. Now both units same, rupees, only you can add when the units are same. Clear? And now here, how will you add? First, make it like decimal. You have studied in 6th class. How will you add the decimals? This is the whole part. And then, for like decimals, you have to put 2 0 after decimals. Then 0.75. Always add same places. This is 100 place. So you will add 100 place digit to it. Then 10th place. And this is unit place. So it will be rupees 5.75. Now your number has been converted into decimal form, or you can say in bigger unit. Is that clear?